In this session, we will be knowing about the training process and what are the various steps which are involved in the training process. The first one here it is organizational objectives. Any training program starts with identifying the organizational objectives. So these objectives have to be SMART, that is specific, measurable, achievable or attainable, reachable and it is time bound. And the second step in this training process is needs assessment. The needs assessment takes care of who has to be given the training, what kind of training, where the training has to be given, when the training has to be given, why the training has to be given, and how the training has to be given. Apart from it, any other question arising will be answered at this stage. And after identifying the needs assessment, the next step is framing training goals. It needs to be taken into care that the organizational goals and these training goals need to be in consistency. Now, let us take for example, the organization wants to improve its productivity within the next 6 months. Then, the training should be designed in such a case that where we can say that the employees or the workers will be trained to handle the high-end machinery which will definitely help them in meeting the organizational goals. So this bridging of the gap where we can say the important element of the training goal lies on. And the next step here it is devising an effective training program. In devising an effective training program, the method of the training will be taken into consideration and the focus will be on which method is the best method and what method need to be adopted to meet the training goals. Here you can see this is an example of two different methods. This is off-the-job training where a classroom or a lecture method of training is adopted. This is on-the-job training where the individuals are involved and practicing in doing so that they can learn the new aspects. And the next phase here it is once we design the training program, now we need to implement it. Again, this is a critical phase because the implementation should have a direction and this direction should be towards achieving the organizational goal. And here after implementation, the most important element here it is evaluation. Unless until evaluation is done, we cannot know whether the outcomes are being achieved or not. So again, this outcome should be again on par with the organizational objectives which we have discussed in the first step. So these are the 6 steps which comprise of the training process. Thank you.